What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to get this super straight silky hair. The products you're gonna need for today are a straightener. I am currently using the Almost Famous brand. This is a very old brand, so I'm not sure if the straightener still exists. It has lasted me years and it's loyal. It's still working. I have it on the highest heat right now, 450. That's as high as it will go. And they also need your hair clips, handy dandy hair clips. You're gonna need a comb, miniature comb, a brush. Maybe it's not as beat up as mine. Don't judge my beat up brush. And some type of product that you can use at stabilize your baby hairs. Keep on watching if you want to get that silky straight hair. The first step is blow dry your hair. That's a very important step. That's like what makes my hair anti-frizzy, and it helps with the straining process. That way you're not straining over and over again. Make sure you blow dry your hair and you put any of the products that you want to put onto your hair before you start straightening. Blow dry my hair. And this is kind of a quick job that will do for the day. You're gonna want to section your hair off to really thin layers. And I always start from the bottom. Grab one of your clips. And don't mind my lizard, she's going crazy. Alright, so let me show you this little section. It's really thin. Here's the secret. You're gonna grab this comb. You're gonna grab a little piece and you're just gonna comb it, and then you're gonna do the strainer once. Watch out for your fingers if it's hot. And then you're gonna comb through it again one more time and do that one more time. I try not to jokes on my hair because it's so damaging. But you guys see that, and you're gonna do that to the rest of your hair. I'm done with my first layer, so now I'm gonna go in with another layer. Started doing this, my hair got less damaged. I stopped washing my hair often, so my hair will stay straight for days, and that way tomorrow or the next day, I usually wait like 3 days before washing my hair. I just gotta touch up my hair. Like, I'll just kind of restrain the areas that got ruined when I go to bed or when I take a shower. So my second layer is done. On to the next layer. I do this especially like on the weekends, like today's Thursday. So my hair is ready for the weekend, you know? I don't have to worry about it, and all I have to do is my makeup and touch up my hair before we go. Once I started doing this, I noticed that my hair got less damaged, and I also noticed that my hair started growing. Since I wasn't applying heat or putting my hair up in a bun every single day, my hair has grown so much. So I totally recommend this. It takes longer the first day that you wash, after you wash your hair and you blow dry it, and then you do this. It is a little bit time consuming, but It's worth it. Also, guys, another tip is that whenever you are going through with the strainer, make sure you are putting a little bit of pressure when you're squeezing, because it'll make it squeeze down on the strainer and make it really flat. So you're not squeezing too hard to the point where you're breaking your hair off, but you're giving it a little squeeze. I like to take my time on the front parts, obviously. Alright, the fourth section of my hair. The reason why I have to do this also is because I have a lot of hair. So if you're someone that doesn't have that much hair, you can straighten your hair in like 30 minutes. Then you don't have to do this, I'm guessing. But I have a lot of hair and it's thick and frizzy. So when I want, like, let's say I'm going to an event and I really want my hair to look straight, this is the type of routine that I do. Or if I know that this is gonna last me a few days, I'll take my time on it. Before, I used to just wear buns to the gym, and that's because I didn't want my hair in my face, but my hair was breaking so bad from the rubber bands. I would throw it up at night, in the morning, at the gym. So my hair was breaking and I was always like, why is my hair not growing? And I would always look up all these things on how to grow my hair, and it was just not easy for me to grow my hair. So then I started doing this routine, and now to the gym, I will pick up my hair, but I'll put a lower ponytail, or I'll do a braid so my hair is not, if I do straighten for the gym, or let's say I go to the gym, my hair's straightened, I'll put it up and I'll braid it or do a low pony. But buns, like every day, I do not recommend for your hair. Fifth little section. Now up here, I'm just gonna start sectioning off from the front and then from the back. Once I get to this point, I'm really careful and pay attention, because this is like what is most visible in your hair. It's the top of your head. have another section towards the back. I like to part my hair down the middle, so I like to get that going, just so when I'm done, I can just retouch it, retouch that line down the middle. And now, I get really particular with these areas, because it is the first thing that people see on the top of your head. So let's take our time on here. Alrighty guys, it's all, you just go in and fix anything that you want to fix. Like me, I definitely want to fix my middle length part, right down the middle. Alright, now you're gonna go in with that brush and just finish it off. Brush it up, make sure your hair's blending together. I told you guys that I leave my hair unwashed for like 3 to 4 days. I don't like to put a lot of product, nor a product that's gonna make my hair too hard, or it's gonna make it white and flaky. So I'm gonna go in with my Miracle Curls mousse, or any kind of mousse. And yes, my tip broke, so I had to do a DIY. So I'm just gonna literally put a little tiny bit, the smallest bit, literally, and you can build it up. And all I'm doing is putting it right down the center on the back, just to control those little. And if you feel like you need a little bit more, just go in with that tiny bit. Like I said, oh, I got too much. If you put too much product in your hair, that makes it hard, too stiff. It'll ruin like your hairstyle and you can't switch it up. Or it'll make your hair really white and flaky once it's like dried up. So just be aware of that. So what do you guys think? Is it straight? Is it straight? Is it silky? So silky. I'll show you guys the back. Would like to know how to blow dry your hair or how to curl your hair, I could also teach you guys how to do that. But yeah, this is how I get my silky straight hair, guys. And like I said, this will last you a few days if you take care of it. If you sleep in a braid or you sleep in a hairnet or a bonnet, your hair will remain straight, and that way you're not blow drying it every day. You do have to pass through it a few times with the straightener, but it's better than doing your whole entire head. It will save you some time, and like I said, my hair has never been healthier. It's growing, it's living. This is all my hair, guys. No extension. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on